Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm with Christopher and Zachary. And today I'm going to show you guys, try to at least, keep in mind I'm still not the smartest, but I'm going to try to tell you guys everything you need to know about how to change an O2 sensor here. Yeah, you can go ahead. Yeah, did you already unplug it? Did you already unplug the other one? Oh, did you find it though? Alright, anyway, so what's going on? My car running like doo-doo water. If your car's running like doo-doo water and you have a check engine light, bring it to an auto parts store. They can do it for free. But if you already have an OBD scanner, then plug it into the OBD2 port, which is right underneath your steering wheel, right where your legs are. And what are you doing? Oh, oh, he stopped. It was mid-bust. anyway, yeah, plug it into there, read your codes. If one of your codes say O2 sensor, then there's a couple of other codes. Chances are that the O2 sensor is causing those other codes. So change the O2 sensor first, and those other two codes might go away. But there's going to be something a little bit confusing, especially if you have a V engine. If you have an inline engine, then you only have 2 O2 sensors. If you have a V engine, though, you're going to have 4. Some older cars even have 5. What? Yeah, they do. They have one like down.
My GTI had one O2 sensor.
Actually?
Yeah.
Because the other one was 2 now.
Oh.
What?
I'll just show you since we're
Even
under
before
here.
I had the
So
2, I
since
still had no
an inline has one exhaust coming out of it, it's a single exit exhaust. O2 sensors go before and after your cat, and so it only has one cat, and so it goes right before it and then right after it. That's 2 O2 sensors. That's all it needs. But on a V, it's got a dual exit exhaust because it's a V powered engine and it's cylinders on each side of the
sucks.
engine.
We don't have O2 sensor sockets.
Yeah, we're kind of, you know, a little bit in the wrong here, but it's okay. But yeah, so this is like, so they're working on the right side because that's where mine is. But this is what I mean. This is an O2 sensor, goes into your pipes. I don't have cats, but if I had cats, it would be right where this like flex pipe, the flex is right here.
Well, that's
Anyway, this is the other one up in here, right there. Like I said, it's gonna be before and then after. My cat would be right there.
Watch out.
Says yeah. I'm sorry, I'm trying to make a
big moves today, man.
Yeah, oh guys, oh, you don't even know. You can't know yet, just in case it doesn't happen. I don't want to start it all up for y'all. Chris is gonna spoil it because he's a butt munch. But anyway, if you read your codes, it'll say you have an O2 sensor, but then it's gonna tell you where. It's gonna say bank 1 sensor 2 or bank 2 sensor 1. What does all that mean, brother? Well, bank is dependent on the car. You have to look that up yourself. So if your car says it's bank 1, then look up which side is bank 1 in your car. It's either going to be driver's side or passenger side. Obviously, if it's passenger side, then it's over here. If it's driver's side, then it's over there. But then sensor 1 and sensor 2 is always going to be the same. Sensor 1 is going to be the sensor above the cat, or the upstream, or the pre. It might say one of those. You can go in and say, hey, I need a pre-O2 sensor, bank 1. In my case, it's bank 1 because this is 350Z. Bank 1 is over here. Sensor 1. So it's sensor 1, which is before the cat, or the upstream. And it's bank 1, which is on the right on the 350Zs, but that can always be different. Now Chris is going to... Chris is getting a little bit bully heavy today, but it's okay. He's so stressed because he wants to cut his exhaust.
Frick off.
Oh! Cancel Chris. Cancel Chris.
Yeah, cancel me.
But yeah, that's how...
I just put your whole sensor plug in my mouth.
Ew, you nasty boy, you nasty. But yeah, that's everything you need to know about actually ordering the O2 sensor, because it can be a little bit confusing. So how to read your codes, how to figure out which one is actually wrong, and then once you get it, you can actually finally make her work. This is how it goes. So you got one part of it that screws in over here. That's the actual O2 sensor. Then there's a wire, as you can see, that comes out of the O2 sensor and clips into a what would that be? A connector? A connector. Which this connector and this will come out for the bad one. You just gotta replace it with the new one. And that's what we're doing. This is the new connector. The old one is, well, the old one's not out yet because it literally broke in half. My last O2 sensor. That's why we're doing this.
Yeah. A special socket to do it too because of the wire.
But we're broke boys.
We didn't do that.
Broke boy.
Run them back.
Run it back, turbo. Oh, look
I gave him to
at Chris has got the battle stance going. Yeah.
That's not. Oh, frick.
Chris had the FNO stance. Yes. Perfect. Don't even need to do it anymore. Alrighty, boys. So we did it. Like I said before, you just literally unscrew that part and then follow your wire, your line here. Up,
I plugged in the wrong thing.
up to figure out.
Yeah.
Up to figure out where it connects. Some of them are super easy. Like as you can see, the post O2 sensors down here. Literally, it's just boom. That's where you take it off right there. Yeah, Jack, you have to stop listening to monetized songs.
Mark, I'm lowering it now.
No, you're not lowering it now. I'm telling them how to do this thing real quick, buddy. All right. But I mean, that's pretty much it. Chris, you can lower it now. That is pretty much it, though. That's how you change an O2 sensor, how to check if your O2 sensor is bad. I mean, mine's obvious because it was literally broken in half, but you'll have a code. It'll throw a code if your O2 sensor is bad. It's not going to not throw it. It needs your O2 sensor, and it will make your car run terrible, so that's why you need to replace that if you get the chance.
O2 sensors are sometimes not needed.
Okay, well...
No, I'm serious. You get a car tuned, like the GTI, only...
Well, yeah, if you get it tuned, but these... If you're watching this video and you have your car tuned, I'm assuming you know how to change an O2 sensor.
With the GTI, when I first did my exhaust, I didn't... Both my O2 sensors were broken.
You gotta put it back up because we gotta put it under pieces of wood.
I drove it home like that, and I had 13 codes.
Oh my lord.
From the O2 sensors.
Man.
This is what makes you dream about.
Like this? Or more?
What? Go up here. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Put it down?
No, I'm putting wood under it.
Do you have an engine light?
Yeah. Also, just so you guys know where an actual OBD port is, it's right there. You can see a little white thing. You do a little scanner, like one of these bad mother jammers, and it comes out right here. That's what you plug in, and then you want to clear the codes after you do your O2 sensor. After you do your O2 sensor, you have to clear your codes, or else it'll still stay there for a couple more miles, and you don't want that. Anyway, guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you enjoyed. Not yet, dude. All right. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching. If you want a hat, SmoothStance hat, SmoothStance shirts, and SmoothStance shorts. www.smoothstance.com/shop. Chris is gonna give you the insider info.
All right. So if you want free merch, cry for the video.
No.
Cry for the video and shave your head.
No, don't do that. These are.
Send it to my Instagram.
False
It'll
accusations.
be right here.
False. No, won't. It's not gonna be in the video at all.
E46.
Nope, that's getting cut out. Beep. That's when you hear that part. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, like, comment, and subscribe.
Turn on post notifications.
Das Vidania and have a nice night.